तपाईँको कल ग्राहक सम्पर्क प्रतिनिधितर्फ ट्रान्सफर हुँदैछ।
Namaskar, I am sir.
Oh, sir.
Also, sir.
Oh, sir. What the services of this net? What to do?
Hello.
Oh, yes, speaking, ma'am. Sir.
Manu समस्या के हो तपाईको?
Oh, my problem is that, sir, this over net hangs nowadays, sir. What to do, sir?
के overhang net भनेको छ त्यो भने?
Hang net. When I open the net, that's always disconnected, sir. What to do, sir?
सुन्नुस् न मजाले नेपालीमा कुरा गर्नुस् न है त्यो अड्की इंग्लिश बोल्नु भन्दा सर नेपालीमा कुरा गर्नुस् न है
that's not the matter, dear. That's not the matter.
के हो भन्नुस् ल भन्नुस् समस्या के हो तपाईको?
When I open the net, yes, they get disconnected. What to do, sir?
Disconnected हुन्छ?
Oh, disconnected. No, disconnected happens, sir.
Disconnect happen?
Yes, disconnected happen. What to do, sir?
Setting गर्नु भएको छ इन्टरनेट चलिरहेको छ पहिला चाहिँ
Why not? Of course.
अनि के भयो त अहिले चलिरहेको छैन?
Yes. It is running, but sir, sometimes that breaks, sir.
नेटवर्क प्रब्लम हुन सक्छ नि त नेटवर्क फ्लक्चुएसन भयो हुन सक्छ नेटवर्क एरियामा आएर ट्राई गर्नुस् न
For the downloading of video, what we can do, sir?
डाउनलोड गर्ने भने सिकाउने कुरा हैन सर डाउनलोड गर्नुस् न त
Can I meet you, sir?
किन र सर
You will teach me about the setting, no?
न त्यो हामीले सिकाउने कुरा हैन है त तपाईले हामीले सर्भिस दिने भने इन्टरनेटको सर्भिस दिने हो द्याट्स अल है त
Oh, that's the reason. Okay. I have taken government school, so my English is not that much good. Okay, sir?
हैन ठिकै छ सर इंग्लिश बोल्न प्रयास गर्नु भएको
Why not? It is natural worldwide, not, sir?
Yes, right, man, right.
Yeah, that's fine. Why your English is very good, sir. I like it, sir.
I'm not speaking English. म नेपालीमै कुरा गरिरहेको छु है.
Yes, what, sir? One thing I asked to you, sir. Yeah, where have you learned this English, sir?
मैले इंग्लिश नै बोलेको छैन नि है.
At first, when you pick up the phone, na? At first, when you pick up the phone, that time you say, "Oh, hello, this customer care center." That's not, no. Right?
Not, I'm not speaking. मैले बोले हैन है त त्यो चाहिँ. IVR हो हैन त.
Computer speak that, na?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Okay. My father is English teacher and my grandfather is also English teacher, sir. So I want to become an English teacher, so I speak with you English. Okay, sir?
Okay. Best luck. Best of luck.
Sir, happy Dasai, sir. Happy Dasai.
Same to you.
Sir, had you buy a new clothes, sir?
No, never. I don't celebrate Dasai. I'm Christian.
Oh, that's Christian. Otherwise, if you were the Nepal, you follow this Hinduism, no?
Yeah.
There will be the Gorle Khasi too, no? Oh, that's fine. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thanks.